Good day everyone, in this video I'll demonstrate how to replace battery on Neato XV series robotic vacuum cleaner. So with the original battery, after some time, even though you fully recharge it, and the vacuum probably doesn't last very long before you need to recharge, so that means it's time for you to replace the battery. So first thing is battery is located at the bottom, so you need to turn the machine upside down. Okay, so batteries are located behind these pockets, so you need a Phillips head screwdriver and undo the screws to remove the cover. Okay, once the screws are undone, remove the cover, and there's one battery here. Okay, so to take out the battery, hold the wire here and try pulling it, and there you go, the connector comes up, and that's the original battery. So the original battery was 3200 milliamps, and the replacement one that I've got here is 4000 milliamp. So this battery has a bigger capacity to charge longer, and which means it should last longer before it flattens out. Okay, so I'm going to do the same on the other side to take out the battery. Okay, so to put this new battery back into the machine, just follow the shape of this harness and connect it in right way into the machine and put it back in. Okay, so the battery is now inserted on this side, and cover back, go back. And put the screws back on. Okay, so the cover is on. I just need to repeat the process on this side as well. Okay, battery's in. Cover goes on, and screws go on, and that's pretty much it. Okay, lastly, with the new battery, go to support, the menu, select, and there will be a setting called new battery. So just select that, and that's to finish it off.